Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and safe. Students, today's task is actually really very easy, as you've already done it in your previous classes. Today, we are going to do picture description. But before we begin with the task, students, I must mention here that the picture on the screen is actually really very beautiful and colorful. I am liking it. Are you all liking the picture also? I hope so. Now let's talk about our learning objective for today. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to write several sentences related to the given picture after looking at it. So, by the end of this lesson, you will know more about picture description and you will be able to write many sentences to describe the given pictures. Okay? Students, before anything else, I want you to know what is meant by description. A written or spoken statement which gives details about someone or something. It means that when you are telling something about a person or a thing like your lunchbox, you're talking about the appearance, the color, and everything like that, you are actually describing that person or that thing. It can be written or spoken, means either you can write it or you can speak it. Okay. What is meant by picture description, or what is picture description? Picture description means to tell what you can see or what is happening in the picture. As you all must have seen, I have given you two pictures in your holidays homework. And when I say picture description, I am talking about the things which you can see in the picture and whatever the people or the animals in the picture are doing. So picture description will include sentences about what you can see in the picture and what is happening in the picture. Now the question is, what should a picture description include? Students, I have seen that many times what happens is many of you get stuck at some point and you are unable to write more. You are unable to write more description for your picture. This is because you miss out some points. And to stop this from happening, I am going to tell you what you are supposed to do. Students, you should always keep in mind that these are the some points which your picture description should include. First of all, explanation of the scene. Tell what the picture is about. You are going to always mention what the picture is about. Like if it's a birthday party, you are going to write about it. If it's about a wedding, you are going to mention that, and so on and so forth. Describe the specific details of the picture. Use words like colorful, beautiful, and etc. You will tell if the picture is colorful or not. You will write if the picture is beautiful or not, and many things like that. Okay. What is in the picture? Next, you are going to focus on is what you can see in the picture. And you can use sentences like, in the picture, I can see whatever you can see. There is a cat, a dog, there are clouds, there are birds, the roads are empty, the color of the car is red, yellow, or whatever the color is. Students, now if you have noticed, I have used different words for starting the sentences. I am not repeating, I can see a girl, I can see clouds, I can see roads. I am not writing same starting words for the sentences. This is exactly what you are going to do while writing. You are not going to repeat the starting words of the sentences. You will try to change them, okay? And you can take help from these sentences, these starting words of the sentences, okay? Then you are going to write what is happening in the picture. Obviously in a picture, uh, there may be people, there may be some animals, so you are going to write that what are they doing in the picture. For example, if you're writing about a man, you can use sentences like a man is standing, a man is sitting, or a man is reading a book. If you're writing about a baby, if there's a baby in your picture, you can write a baby is crying or drinking milk, but it should be related to whatever that person or animal is doing in the picture. Okay, make sure you always write whatever is happening in the picture. Okay, you can use, again, you can use the sentences given here uh, for you starting as starting words also. Okay, now students, here I have some very important instructions for you. What you're going to do is you're going to read and follow the instructions. before you start writing. Okay, make sure you observe the picture carefully. You are going to make sure that you have seen the picture many times and carefully. You should do it as carefully as you can. Okay, it will help you to understand what the picture is about, and it will help you to write more sentences about the picture. Okay, write down your observations. Students, for your ease, what you can do is, after observing the picture, you can write down whatever you have seen in the picture. You can list them down. It will help you while you are writing the picture description. Write meaningful and complete sentences related to the picture. What you are going to do is, you are going to make sure that your sentences are complete and they have some meanings. Okay, for that purpose, write a sentence, read the sentence again, and see if it's correct or not. Use different words to start your sentences. As I've already given you some examples, keep that in mind. You're not going to write only I can see this, I can see that, there is this, there is that in the description. You're going to use different starting words for your sentences. Write in a neat and beautiful handwriting. Yes, the most important part. Your handwriting should be really very beautiful. Okay, I don't want to see any untidy handwriting or untidy work. Okay. Now, coming towards the task that you have today. Describe the pictures given in your holidays homework. So, I've given you 2 pictures in your holidays homework. You are going to describe them. And don't forget that you are going to observe the pictures carefully and note down what you can see in the pictures. Okay, this will help you a lot. Students, I hope that my instructions will help you to write the description easily and you will enjoy your work. I will see you next time, inshallah. Until then, Allah Hafiz.